Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix connectivity issue with Diablo 4 game on your Windows computer. So if you're facing disconnection issue with the server or it's not connecting to the server, so if you're facing any kind of connectivity issue, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So first of all, check for any kind of outage from battle.net. So if servers are down, then you might face this problem. So you can go to Blizzard forum over here and you can check over here if there is any kind of outage. If there is any kind of outage, then you will face the problem. Now if there is no outage, in that case you can make changes in limit download. Now for this, go to battle.net. Now click on settings, click on the down arrow and then click on settings. Now go to downloads and then scroll down, uncheck limit limit download bandwidth. So uncheck all the boxes over here and then click on done and then check. Still you're facing the problem, then again click on this down arrow and then go to settings and again go to downloads and then this time put a check on limit download bandwidth. For latest update, type in 9 times 9, and for pre-release content also type in 9 times 9 and then click on done and then check. Now still you're facing the problem, then run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key, now check. Now still you're facing the problem, then perform power cycle. To perform power cycle, first of all, shut down your computer. Now once you shut down your computer, unplug the power cable from the computer, and then after you unplug the power cable from the computer, press and hold the power button on your computer for a few seconds. This will release the static electricity from the computer, and then turn off your router and then wait for a few seconds and then restart the Wi-Fi router and then connect the power cable back to the computer and then restart your computer and then connect to your network and then check. Next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So in the bottom right over here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically, both are on over here. In Windows 10 also you will find the same option, so make sure both are on and then click on sync now. It is important to click on sync now, and once this is done, click on sync now once again if you receive any kind of error, and then go to time and language once again and then go to language and region or region and then make sure right country is selected over here. Now the next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. These are very important, so run this command. So again type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Always open command prompt as an administrator. Now click on yes to allow. Copy all the commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description, so copy each command one by one and run all the commands one by one. Now run the last command. Now once this is done, you have to restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this, and after the system restart you can check. Now the next step is to make sure Windows update is not running. So if Windows update are running, then it will give you connection problem. So make sure if it's updating, you can let the update complete and then you can check. Also streaming any kind of videos, if there are many devices connected to the same network, then you might face the connection problem. Next step is to perform network reset. Now before you perform network reset, let me inform you that you will lose the Wi-Fi password. So make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password before performing network reset. Now to perform network reset, open Windows settings and then go to network and internet. The steps are same for Windows 10 as well. Go to network and internet. Now in Windows 10, when you select network and internet, on the very bottom you will see a reset option. So in Windows 10, simply click on Network and Internet and scroll down, then click on Network Reset. In Windows 11, click on Advanced Network Settings, and then you will see Network Reset option. Click on it, and then click on Reset Now. Click on Yes, and during the network reset, your computer might restart. And after you restart, will be asking for your Wi-Fi password. So enter your Wi-Fi password and then connect to the internet. Now the next step is to switch to different network. Now if you have any other network available, so if you own any other network, you can try connecting to different network. If you own one, if you have different network connection, then you can switch to different network and then check. Next step is to use Ethernet connection. So if your computer has an Ethernet port and if you have an Ethernet cable, you can use wired connection. That will give you stable connection. So you can switch to internet Ethernet connection. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then check. Next step is to uninstall network driver and restart your PC. So for this, make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Device Manager and then expand Network and Adapters. Now over here, Network Adapter, expand Network Adapter and select your network name. So select your network adapter. In my case, it's Realtek. In your case, it may be Intel or maybe some other network adapter. So make a right click and then click on uninstall device. Then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. So when you restart your computer, during the system restart, Windows will install the default network driver and then you can connect to the internet. Again, make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password. It will be asking for the password when you try to connect to the network in case of Wi-Fi. Now, the next step is to update drivers from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So I'm showing for Dell. This is just an example. So go to your system manufacturer website, and then find your model number. So select your computer, and once you select your computer, go to drivers and download page, and then you find your network driver over here. So find your Wi-Fi driver, internet driver, download it, install it, restart your computer, and then connect to your network and then check. Now the next step is to update your system BIOS. Again, go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. So find your network. So first of all, before this step, it was install network driver. So you can find your network driver, install it, restart your computer, and then check. Still you're facing the problem, then you can update the system BIOS. To update the system BIOS, again go to system manufacturer website, select the system BIOS, and once you find the system BIOS, download it, install it. Now in case of laptop, before you update the system BIOS, make sure battery on your computer is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer. Then update the system BIOS. And during the BIOS update, your system will restart. Do not unplug the power cable when it's updating the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then check. Now the last step is to verify the game file, repair the game file. For this, go to battle.net, select the game, and then click on this settings icon, the gear icon. And over here you can see scan and repair option. So click on scan and repair, and after the repair, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the connectivity issue with the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.